Example 7. The figure is given to you. This is a triangle PQR. QT is perpendicular to PR. This PS intersect QR and this angle Y. This angle 30 degree and this is 40 degree and this is X. So given is QT perpendicular to PR, angle TQR 40 degree, angle SPR 30 degree, find X and Y. Now see here, in triangle solution, in triangle TQR, the sum of three angle is 180, that is angle sum property. Angle T, angle QTR plus angle TQR plus angle X, that is QRT, 180 degree, angle sum property. Now QTR 90, TQR 40 plus X 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. The value of X is 50 degree. Now in triangle PSR, use exterior angle property. This angle Y is exterior. So exterior angle property, Y is equal to SPR plus angle X, that is exterior angle triangle property. Now Y is equal to 30 plus X is 50, so Y is equal to 80 degree. Y is 80 degree. Now I will take example 8. It is important, the figure is given to you, sometimes figure is not given. This is the question, triangle ABC, produce AB and AC, point E and D. This is E, this is D. The bisectors BO, the bisector of this and bisector of C, angle C, CO, meet at O. प्रूव करना है, पहले तो गिवन लिख दीजिए. गिवन इज BO and CO are bisectors of angle CBE and angle BCD. This is given. Now to prove, angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half angle BAC. Now let you take angle AX, angle BY, angle CZ. So this is X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Sum of angles in triangle is 180. Now angle Y, we know that angle Y plus solution, angle Y plus angle CBE CBE is equal to 180, that is linear pair. So angle CBE angle 180 minus y, 180 minus y. Similarly Z plus BCD is similarly angle this one BCD, this one BCD is equal to 180 minus Z, 180 minus Z. Now angle CBO is half of CBE given है because BO is bisector of angle CBE. BO is bisector of angle CBE. Now what is the value of CBE? Here it is the value of CBE, put it here. Angle CBO is equal to half 180 minus y. Now angle CBO is equal to 180 divided by 2, 90 minus y by 2, equation 1. इसको 1 दे दीजिए. This is equation 1, this is 2. Now अब ये वाला एंगल क्या होगा? This one BCO is equal to half of angle BCD, and BCD is 180 minus Z. So angle BCO is equal to half 180 minus Z. So angle BCO is equal to 90 minus Z by 2. This is 2. This is equation 3. Now in triangle BOC, use angle sum property. The sum of three angles is 180 degree. Angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC 180. Angle sum property. Now what is the value of CBO? From equation 2, CBO is 90 minus y by 2. BCO is 90 minus Z by 2 plus BOC is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. 180 degree. Now you see here 90, 90, 180 and transpose that side. So this will cancel out and क्या बचा? Minus y by 2 minus z by 2 plus BOC is equal to 0. Now transpose this that side. So angle BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. Now take 1 by 2 common. So it is y plus z. Now value of y plus z from here, y plus z is equal to 180 minus x. From equation 1, the value of y plus 8, z is 180, angle BOC is equal to, इसकी जगह आप रख दीजिए half 180 minus x. This is half 180 minus x. Now multiplied it, you will get 90 minus x by 2. What is x? BAC. So the final result I will write it here. Angle BOC is equal to 90 minus BAC half angle BAC. So this is the final result.